There is a new system that affiliates can use that enables them to choose their niche and copy the blueprints that others have successfully used in that niche to make thousands of dollars. The Profit Miracle system is so easy to use and utilizes free traffic so that the affiliate does not have to spend any more money out of pocket to do the marketing campaigns involved with affiliate marketing. The Profit Miracle system has it set up so that an affiliate can get set up in 2 easy steps. The third step is watching their profit margin grow day after day as their income rolls in from their niches. Many affiliates get frustrated because they create article after article and submit them but still come up short in the search engines. The Profit Miracle system teaches them how to take their articles to the top of the searches and make their conversion rate skyrocket. Other affiliates do not have the writing skills to write their sales copy and SEO articles so that they can drive this free traffic to the offers that they are promoting, which also leads to frustration. The Profit Miracle system can automatically create this copy based on the articles and techniques that have worked in those niches in the past. In this way, Profit Miracle takes this burden off of the affiliates forever. Profit Miracle is the perfect system for people who are interested in affiliate marketing but do not have high technical skills and or do not have much business experience. This system has been set up as a no-fail method for people to use to make residual income month after month. The affiliates can choose a niche that they are interested in, and then they activate the system so that it begins to create what is needed for that affiliate to be successful in that niche. Then he can sit back and let his money grow. Get started today. Download your free Miracle Profits report from www.treasurecoach.org/miracle.php.